silence feeds the monster in me. A void that begs for empathy. I wear the failures I couldn't contain, stitched to my chest like a